What's up and good morning YouTube. Today it's rainy and dreary out. But for those who know me, know this is my kind of weather. Today, we got some more of these chocolates. I know yesterday I said I was only missing one for my personal collection, but it turns out I'm actually missing two for my personal collection. I don't have a Choco Cat or a Kuromi in my personal collection. Let's see who we get. We don't eat the chocolate. I've been giving those to my pops. He apparently quite likes them. We got another little gay penguin. Can we get a balance? Yeah. Chocolate for my pops. Oh no! Two little gay penguins. Well, that's all I got for you today. I'm the Smiling Viking, surrounded by ducks and penguins. Peace out, and go fuck yourselves.